Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm so excited because we are going to do a quick unboxing. We are going to unbox a couple of things for today. So firstly, I'm going to share to you what I got at the end of season sale at ZARA. Secondly, I'll be sharing to you some pieces that I have designed under my clothing line, MaisonRamiro. Also, last but not the least, my dear bestie, my sister, Jazzy Jack, has given me her birthday gift from Dior Beauty. Here it is, and we are going to unbox this. I'm so excited. This would be a true unboxing. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about lace about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year. Also, please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, so let us start our quick unboxing. So if you have been following me guys, I'm sure you know that I am a fashion designer. Unfortunately, since most of the time as a designer, I'm doing clothes, custom clothes for my clients. I cannot make or design clothes for myself, but currently right now I have extra time, so I was able to start my new collection and started making clothes also for myself. The very first one is what I am currently wearing, as you can see here. So this is a metallic top that I've designed. So as you can see, I'm just going to put some photos here because most of these pieces I have already worn on some of the events. So mostly I'll be wearing them for social scenes, fashion shows. So like this one, so I've already worn this one. So this is the very first one. The second is this top over here, as you can see. So the material, if I'm going to zoom in a little bit closer, it's like a jacquard denimish fabric, but I'm loving the pattern over here. As you can see, it's a little bit see-through. So this is my logo over here. That is my last name. So what I am loving about this top, again, I'm going to put a photo and video here of how I styled this one and how I wore this. So this top over here, as you can see, I have designed this handmade long stem 3D flowers over here, and she comes with this long stems of the roses. I really love this one. So the next piece that I have designed for my new label, my new collection, is this tweed set over here, as you can see. So just like to show you the fabric. So the fabric is like a pinstripe tweed fabric, and it comes in different colors. It looks very Chanel to me, and some of the fabric is a little bit shiny. So again, putting some photos and videos here of how I styled this one. I have worn this to the Inspired Beginning fashion show that I have attended recently. So she comes with 2 pockets in front, and she comes also with the 3D flowers that I have handmade for this top. So here is the back portion. And last but not the least, I have worn this to the birthday celebration of my 2 dear friends, Jack. Jack is the one who gave me the Dior Beauty gift that we are going to unbox later, and by Jenny as well. Louis Vuitton has given them a birthday party at the Louis Vuitton store here in the Philippines. So I have made this one. So the material of this one is like a jacquard fabric, and I am loving the design of this one. Also, just to share to you guys, this is actually an upcycled fabric. So this is one of my archival design, one of my archival pieces that I have previously designed when I was starting way back in 2017. So here is the front and then the back, but of course for you to appreciate more, I'll be putting some photos here. So these are some of the pieces that I have designed under MaisonRamiro. So if you haven't been following me on that Instagram account, I'm going to link it here and also in the description box below. And these pieces, if you are interested, I could design these for you, custom these pieces for you, and I could ship them to you anywhere in the world. Alright, so the next pieces that I'll be sharing to you guys are the pieces that I got at the end of season sale at ZARA. So it has just started here in the Philippines. So I'm inviting you guys, if you are near a ZARA store run, don't walk. So run immediately to your near Zara store so that you may get the best pieces at the best possible prices. So since I have shared to you some ready-to-wear pieces from Maison Ramiro, let's continue with some of the ready-to-wear piece that I got from the end of season sale at Zara. So the very first one, actually guys, I only have 2 pieces that I got from Zara during our first visit. So the first one is this like pleather oversized t-shirt over here. So if I could put some cutaways on how I will style this one, I'm going to put it over here. So just to show you, can you see guys? So it is color black. You know me guys, I am so in love with color black when it comes to clothing. So this is the neckline. So this is the how you're going to open and close there, and this is of course the price. So I'm not going to share to you the prices anymore because I'm pretty sure everyone is familiar what the Zara prices is, especially when they are having sale. So the backside part, so it's like a suede like interior or fabric, so that is why I'm not really sure if I could wear it here in the Philippines or if I would be wearing it here in Metro Manila. Definitely I would be wearing it for like maybe an evening event wherein maybe the temperature would be really cold, so that I would not be sweating a lot, because as you know, wearing like this one here in the Philippines, it could be really challenging. What do you think of this piece? So let me just close this one and move on to one of the favorite things that I got from Zara for a while now. And here she is. Let me just get her, guys. So here she is. Do you have any guesses? So this is also a surprise. I never imagined that I would be getting this one. But 3, 2, 1. Here she is. So I got myself a platform shoes. So I got this one. This was displayed at the women's wear section of Zara. So here she is. I'm not going to show you the underneath of the shoes because I have worn this yesterday during the Louis Vuitton birthday event of my friend Jack and Jen. So this is how the shoe looked like. So this is the front. The side, as you know me guys, I am so in love with anything platform on my shoes. So if I'm guessing this one, the thickness of the sole, this is around 2.5 to 3 inches. It is a sneaker type, and this is the inside part, guys. So what I got, so this is the underneath. So as you can see, I've already used this yesterday. So the size that I got is size 40. Technically I am a size 39, but I got a size 40. I think that if I'm not mistaken, this is the very last size 40 on the store, and I've checked with the CA if new stock is available, or if this style is available at any Zara store at this size. Unfortunately, they said that this is the last piece. Of course, definitely it is a no-brainer for the price that I got this for. This is such a steal. And just to share guys, when I have worn this one, I think because all of the shoes that I have, I never really wear. I'm not really a sneaker type of person. I would rather wear something like of a formal looking type of shoes, although it is a platform style, but I am more in love with like the leather type of shoes or more formal type of footwear. So this is something new to me. But when I have worn this one, I'm going to put some photos here of how I style this one together with one of the top that I've designed. It was really comfortable guys, because I think they did a very good construction. So let me just put one shoe down. So the lining of the shoes is padded just like any rubber shoes or sneakers. Also the insole is very soft, that's why it's very comfortable. And to be honest, one of the reasons why I got this one is because if, for example, aside from wearing it here in Metro Manila, I'm imagining myself that I could wear this one very easily whenever I would be traveling internationally. Because when we went to Hong Kong, I brought my 4 inches platform shoes, the one that I've designed previously with my other shoe, this label. Unfortunately, I cannot walk on them the whole day anymore. When I was a little bit younger, yes, I could walk on them, but now, unfortunately, I can't. My feet are screaming after wearing them for the whole day. That is why I told myself when we came back from our trip from Hong Kong, I would need to find myself a really comfortable shoes that I could walk into the whole day. So far, yesterday, when I wore this one. So it's almost a whole day. So I traveled with this one. I walked the whole day. I never had any issues. So I'm crossing my fingers that this would never give me issue because I am so in love with them. And I told myself that if, for example, I would see more of this style, what I'm loving with this, as you can see, the platform shoes are really, really wide. So if I would see this one on another color, I'm praying I could find one in black, then definitely I would get it. Alright, so last but not the least, let us unbox the gift that was given to me by Jack. Again, if you are not following her on YouTube and on Instagram, I'm going to link her account below. Please do check her out. I so love her so much. Again, Jack, thank you so much. I never imagined. I wasn't really expecting this gift. So she just invited us to one of the Dior Beauty event couple of weeks back, and she was insisting that we go there, although I told her unfortunately I think we will not be able to come because it is out of our way, but she was so insistent that we go there, and I think this is one of the reasons. So again, million thank you. So now let us unbox. This is a true unboxing from the time that she has given this to me. I did not take a peek. I'm not really sure what's inside, but definitely this is a Dior Beauty Dior Beauty item or gift. So let us unbox. So let us see. 3, 2, 1. So this is the paper bag with the ribbon, and oh wow, so it has another paper bag. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the, wow, this is a nice gift wrapping by Dior Beauty because personally myself, I haven't purchased anything from Dior Beauty. Wow, oh, it's really nice. Nice packaging by Dior Beauty, as you can see. So let us unbox. I'm just untying the ribbon. So here it is. Let me just put it here. Ooh. Oh, what's this? Ah, okay. So it says here, Christian Dior Le Balm. So the balm, hands, lippy, body. 50 ml. So here it is, guys. The back. Ooh, okay. Oh, this is so cute. So this is the lotion, right, guys? If you have anything like this, please do comment down below. So how do you open this one? Oh, wait. Okay. Ooh, wow. Let me try. Ooh. Yes. Okay. This is nice. And it smells so good. Wow, this is so nice. She's very generous and very kind. Thank you so much, Jack. I wasn't really expecting this one. Super nice, and it's very handy. I've seen a lot of this one during videos showing there what's in my bag, so definitely this could fit inside my bag. Again, thank you so much, Jack, for giving me my very first Dior Beauty item. So hopefully I could purchase more. Actually, whenever I would be going to Dior, either Dior, Chanel, I would be asking them, because what I'm really wanting to get would be the compact face powder. So with Chanel, I've asked in Hong Kong, here, even here in the Philippines, it's out of stock. They are not sure when it is coming back in stock here. Also with Dior, they said they don't have the compact face powder that I've been looking for ever since we've come back here in the Philippines. But this one, really love, and definitely I would be able to enjoy. Yay! There, did you enjoy our quick unboxing episode for today? So hope you did, guys. If you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a box emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing family by clicking this cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account. That's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!